Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Hopewell. I'm your host, Madison Gillespie, and I'm bringing you this week's Morning Buzz. Today is Friday, September 30th, and it is a D-Day. To start the show, we would like to introduce our new Vice Principal, Dr. Quinn.
Hey everybody, hey Bulldogs. I'm Dr. Quinn. I'm coming to you from Delaware County, Pennsylvania, so right down the road. Excited to be here. I'm in charge of the 10th and 12th grade this year, and that is the black team. So just want to let you know we need to beat the gold team. So let's step it up, seniors and sophomores, and have a great year. Thanks for welcoming me, and we'll see you in the hallways.
Thank you for the comments, Dr. Quinn. Welcome to the Bulldog family. Now, let's cut to Iris, who interviewed a handful of students on their back-to-school outfits.
Hi guys, I'm Iris. Class is in session. Now let's see how we're dressing.
Whoa, stop right there. Tell me about your outfit, Jack.
These shoes I've had for like a couple years now. These pants are my sister's boyfriend's. This sweater is from Green Street.
All right, I love all your outfits. It's very like normcore. So tell me what's going on.
We all go to the Votech school, so it's just like wear whatever.
Got it. Love that.
Hello, I'm Luke.
Hi, Luke. What's going on with your outfit?
I'm wearing my football jersey, and I'm wearing shorts and shoes.
Cool. Can you give a bark for the Bulldogs?
Bark.
Everyone looks great. Next, we're bringing you the first Captain's Crunch of the year with Felix and the football team.
Hi, my name is Felix Hogan, and this week I'm joined by the varsity football team captains. What is your name, number, and position?
My name is Nick Karpovich. I'm number 8, and I play middle linebacker.
My name is David Ellis. I'm number 7, and I play outside linebacker.
My name is Tim McEwen. I'm number 10, and I play quarterback.
My name's Luke Riley. I'm number 70, and I play defensive tackle.
What is your favorite pregame song?
My favorite pregame hype song would probably be Let's Get It by Honcho.
Num Num Juice by Schoolboy Q.
Beamers and Audis by number 8.
Mine is Skrilla by Kodak Black.
What's your favorite cereal?
My favorite cereal is definitely Frosted Flakes.
My favorite cereal is Honey Nut Cheerios.
My favorite cereal is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
My favorite cereal is Lucky Charms.
Thanks, guys. Now let's send it back to Madison in the studio.
Good luck this year. Now, it's time for the movie mystery. Do you know last week's movie mystery? It was Minions.
Por ano la matoka. Huh? Banana? Stuart? Macareno? Banana! Banana!
That's all for today, Hopewell. Have a great weekend.